What's up, family? I want to speak to a lot of you guys. Now that this year I'm actually turning 8 years into my trading journey, 8 years into this profession, I believe I'm highly qualified to actually give you this advice that I'm about to give you. In fact, if I knew it back then when I started, I would have actually been way far off, but I believe God put me in this position that I may also advise you, people who are just starting off right now. In fact, because I did not know this, I wasted 4 years out of the 8 years of trading that I have right now. I wasn't succeeding. So half of the years I started succeeding, half of the years I was just searching for strategy over and over and over again without no progressive direction. Okay. And it's not per strategy that I'm going to teach you here technicals. I've taught you so many technicals, but it is a perspective that you ought to look at trading with that will change your reality as much as it actually changed mine. So, in fact, let's just get into it. A lot of traders, when they get into trading, right, they're so, of course, ambitious and everything like that, but they get the trading method. They want to go straight to apply it into a live trading account. Whether the trading method is through a paid mentorship or a free mentorship here on YouTube, many of you guys, as soon as you get an approach, you go over to the markets and you want to make money because you're moved by adrenaline and not moved by factual information, that you understand clearly how the strategy works. So a lot of you guys now end up finding yourself in what we call a circle of doom. I've done a video about this where you get a trading method or a trading approach, you test it a little bit on a demo. Some of you even jump that process, go straight to a live account. From then on, from a live account, you see a bit of profits, then it starts giving you a streak of losses, then you throw it out of the window. You go on YouTube or you pay another cost and you do that following cycle. I was that, and many of you who are watching are exactly doing what I was doing. Now, to escape all of that, I want to advise you on something that it's not even 2 years that I know, but I have known it, but in terms of articulation and to be able to say it like this, I believe I was not in that position as of yet. So, right, I took 100 trades when I started to really ask myself, how can I stop this cycle? I started to take 100 trades to develop what we call, as a trader, market biofeedback. So every trader, when it comes to this industry, needs market biofeedback. What is market biofeedback? It's the ability to know how the market moves and how you respond to the market. So when you take those two aspects and make them meet, it really becomes a very powerful thing that it becomes embedded within your subconscious. What I mean by that, let's say you have a trading approach, a trading method. You want to know how the trading method works best on the trading live or on the markets, and how you react when you have that trading method. How do you apply it? Does it go into does it go into losses slightly before it can go into profits? Because many of you don't know so many questions about your trading method psychologically, how it impacts you when you're watching the trade or when you execute the trade. What happens after you've executed the trade? Many of you have missed so many opportunities having the right strategies or having powerful trading methods, but you don't have the psychological backbone in order to react. So therefore you close too early, you are afraid, you lack experience. Some of you guys, this sounds very familiar, right? You say, Ash, I don't know how to react. I close trades too early. I get so scared. I cannot know how to risk more or less. I overrisk. I just don't risk as much to make money. I'm too afraid. I lack experience. Now, I want to give you the solution. There's an ability, there's a style of trading or a perspective of trading that a lot of traders get to miss to become professional Forex traders. And it's the ability to turn your strategy into a mechanical, statistical strategy. Okay, so we do have this within our mentorship, where basically most of our strategies, what I've done, I've gone through a whole list of trades, at least 100, but I go a little bit more when I'm developing a trading method in order to teach people, right? So we go into the statistics, into the numbers game. So trading is all about a numbers game. Basically, if I have a trading method, I want to know how good does it work over 100 times, over 500 times, over so many years, over so many markets. How does it behave? What it does for me, it doesn't just make me good or see how good the trading method is, then I just come and tell you, oh, it's 80%. No, I'm basically tuning myself to the strategy and tuning the strategy, refining it, understanding it in depth. It's like almost understanding a human being that you're in a relationship with. You ought to go an extra mile in terms of relationship wise to understand an individual, and that is the very same thing you ought to do with a trading strategy. You want to go in depth into the statistics, maybe have a spreadsheet, whatever, or have Notion where you write down your notes, where you create the table and you journal it from day 1 all the way to day 100, or you from the first trade to the 100th trade, applying the rules, really refining it, because that's what a lot of you guys don't have. You don't have a trading routine around your trading method. You don't know how it works best. You don't know how to react to it, and you don't know the numbers game. How good is it on the markets? So you end up going into the markets. You just want to look for opportunities anytime. You don't know exactly. Most of our trading strategies, I know what time I sit on this chair and just start trading. I don't just wake up and just try to look for opportunities. I'm intentional because there's a record that proves to me what I'm about to do has worked 8 times out of 10. Do you understand the fact? So this will save you a lot of losses, a lot of headache going through years. People go through, it may sound like easy advice to some of you. Some of you guys know this. Many people do not know this. Beginners, we're gonna fall into this trap. As soon as they watch this video, you guys need to now calm down, be content with what you have. Go ahead, back test it. If you do not have a high accuracy trading method when it comes to strategies as far as it's concerned, you can also be part of us. I believe I am more than qualified to mentor you guys, since I know so many aspects out of 8 years of trading. I pour out my knowledge. What mentorship simply means is that I'm taking you from my 8 years experience and I'm taking you higher. Instead of you guys starting lower and trying to figure out, yes, you can learn for free on YouTube. There are many courses out there, but there are certain things that a lot of these free courses don't cover. And we actually go into depth into trading psychology, into basically mechanical statistical trading. So I want to teach you that aspect. I want to teach you high accuracy trading methods that you're going to take advantage of in the markets. Again, we do have free content that you can learn off, but there's some stuff that we cannot teach over here on YouTube that you can only find within our advanced trading course. We're gonna tune you. I have a threshold of about 3 months where any student that joins us, they must go through a threshold. Yes, I will present to them the power and the strength of this trading method that they're about to trade. But to tune a trader into becoming one with the trading method, that they don't need to doubt themselves every time they execute, we have various loopholes to make sure that they become professional traders. I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire overnight, but I'm saying that you can be a professional trader within a space of 3 to 6 months if you really give yourself thoroughly and go into work and leave the money aside. It will follow once you've mastered. Okay, so if I'm talking to you as a trader over here about this video, one thing I need you to do is definitely subscribe, because you're gonna get more content like this. Number 2, if you don't have a strategy that you know for sure that if you go into the numbers game is as accurate as ours, and you never heard of this concept, mechanical statistical trading, definitely I would advise that you join us and become part of the family. It's not just you going through the course. We have a Discord mentorship where you have a family that supports you through your journey of trading. Not just myself, other traders in the group who are students like you, who are just have mastered the concept as best as me, are gonna be there also to just guide you. It's all about love when it comes to the group that we're in. Okay, And of course, just to speak about that, when it comes to now money, how you can, professionally be successful, this is where prop firms come in. And I said on a podcast one day, I say, when it comes to prop trading, it's separating the real traders who are gambling and separating them into real consistent traders who are content. So that means if I'm on a 200k and I make 2% per month, compared to somebody who's trading a 1,000 US dollar, who's trying to triple it and double it in order to make as much as the 2% I made on a 200k account. So we teach you how to tune yourself, whereby when you get to a prop trading account, you're able to have enough confidence to trust that you're gonna get A-class setups, that you're gonna execute them. And we also have a program where we can pass your account within 24 hours. So you guys have seen, those of you who are not following us on our Instagram, we are running the prop firm passing, whereby there are various prop firms like Nova Funding that I would advise. That way, if you go in, we can pass it for you within 24 hours. If you're really interested on this, I'm gonna put our numbers here. You're gonna contact the admin, and definitely what happens when you purchase a 200k or 100k account for us to pass for you, we will give you free mentorship. How? So basically, this is 100%. We pass it within 5 to 10 minutes, within a day. Once we've done that, because you have chosen us to pass that account for you, we are gonna give you free mentorship in order for you to really capitalize on trading that live account once we've passed it. So if this sounds really good for you, you're gonna use the link in the description of the video, or you can just use the following phone numbers here and contact our admin. She will definitely, guys, assist you in enrolling for us. So definitely, guys, if this video really has blessed you, as I said, please kindly like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. God bless you.